Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the sine rule, your tool for any triangle, not just right-angled ones. By the end of this, you'll know the formula, when to reach for it, and the one case where you should not use it. Definition. For any triangle with sides A, B and C, opposite angles A, B and C, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. All three ratios equal each other. Pick any two of these equalities to solve any unknown side or angle. Same triangle, three equivalent equations. Key insight: use the sine rule when you have an angle and its opposite side, plus one more piece of information. Two angles and one side, sine rule. Two sides and one non-included angle, sine rule. The pattern: wherever a known angle and its opposite side appear together, sine rule is your tool. Watch out, don't use the sine rule for SAS, two sides and the included angle. That's cosine territory. Sine rule fails when you don't have an angle-side opposite pair. You can't form the first equality without one. Wrong tool, wrong answer. Quick example: triangle with angle A equals 40 degrees, angle B equals 75 degrees, side A equals 8. Find B. Set up: B over sine 75 equals 8 over sine 40. Rearrange it: B equals 8 times sine 75, all over sine 40. On a calculator, that's about 12.02.